Hello, everybody. Welcome to Cooking Caleb.
Cooking with Caleb.
Cooking with Caleb.
Cooking with Caleb, yeah.
Step 1 is getting all these cinnamon rolls out.
Okay.
It's a hard part for me.
This is the hardest part for Caleb.
For Cooking with Caleb.
Cooking with Caleb.
And I got one. Number 2. Number 3.
And why do we not put them right next to each other?
Because they could get oily next to each other.
Yeah.
They could get more oil.
And they're going to get bigger, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I bet there was 5 on this one. Okay, step 2 is wash your hands. I think that's soap.
What's that?
Soap.
Why do you wash your hands?
Because or the oil will get on your hands.
Yeah.
No, dry them.
Okay. What's the next step? What do we do with these now?
We put them in the
In the oven that's
oven.
preheated?
And I'm just gonna put it in.
Yeah. And wait, what'd you just put on?
I put on a black glove.
Yeah, it's a safety glove, kitchen oven mitt.
Okay. Is that good?
Yep.
I did it all by myself.
What's the next step? We use Alexa, the timer. 7.
And number step 3 is tell Alexa.
No, look at the camera. Tell them.
Tell Alexa to set a timer for 7 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 7 minutes.
7 minutes, starting now.
All right. We'll be back.
We'll be back.
Enjoy this commercial break.
Enjoy this commercial break. My body clean. I'm back in shower clean. Opening.
Open is what? Step what?
Step 4.
Yeah.
Take them out. On little chickens, little chick cracks.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, be careful.
It's kind of too heavy for me.
You can do it, I think.
Okay.
Why not? Don't touch with the other hand.
I'm trying not to. They're just so heavy. Okay.
Okay.
Step.
Close that.
Step. Can I let that off?
Yeah, step 5. No.
Step 5. Smear it.
No, that's step. Step 5, we'll put a scoop on.
Step 5. Put the icing on.
Put 1 scoop on each one while it's warm, huh?
Yeah.
We'll do a bigger scoop.
So I said 1 little scoop.
We can do, well, these are bigger ones, so we can do bigger scoops. Icing's hard to get out because it's cold, huh?
Is the pan hot?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but do we touch the pan?
No. I just touched it a minute ago. I just really want to lick it off. I forgot to say, welcome back to Cooking with Caleb.
You can say it now. That's okay.
Hey, Mommy. We're doing a video of Cooking with Caleb.
That sounds like fun.
And me and Daddy, we went in my bathroom and we did a video. And we did that bear thing. We did, my booty's clean. I'm talking salmon clean. You can see
Those
the
are
video.
commercial, right? Usually you don't talk about the commercial, but that's okay.
It's okay.
He's a funny bud.
What are you doing now?
We're on step 6.
Which is what?
Which is smearing them on.
Yeah,
Smearing what on?
The icing.
Oh, yeah.
See what I'm doing right here?
Mm-hmm.
Getting that. Ah,
Is that one going to be yours?
yep. I'm gonna put a little more.
No.
I'm just joking, Mommy. And it was like a lot more, so I have a little more.
Yeah, we need a theme song for this show, don't we? Maybe we can make a little jingle on your piano.
You want to go play the piano?
Hold on a second.
Remember how we can unplug it and then I could just play the piano and and I didn't have to use my headphones?
Oh, yeah, and everybody could hear it that way.
No.
No.
Nobody could ever hear it.
Okay.
That's what I said. That's why I said no. Blah 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 blah
What
blah
was
blah
that?
blah. Get throw up on this cupcake. Gonna throw up on this cupcake. Whatever this thing is called. Let's get a little weird looking cupcake, I think.
You know what they're called.
I'm just making up a weird looking song. Don't interrupt my song. This one?
What flavor are these cinnamon rolls?
Lucky. I don't know. Little,
Extra large, regular, huh?
Just good old fashioned?
maybe they got some on my fingers, I think. Sorry, my mom and dad are interrupting my song. Dun 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 dun. Read up the red news, reindeer, and the very shiny nose. And if you ever saw him, you would even say it goes. I love the other reindeer. I'm done.
You're all done? Okay, do you want to thank everybody for tuning in?
Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. And
Cooking with Caleb,
Cooking with Caleb,
episode 1.
episode 1. See you next time on episode 2. And one more thing. My favorite part, eat them. Just gotta lick my finger off.